Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove web extension or add-ons in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I show us how to do it. You just need to open up Microsoft Edge, click on this three dot icon and select extensions. In here you can able to see the extension listed over here. You can remove an extension by clicking on the three dot icon over here and remove from Microsoft Edge. You can click on it and remove it, or you can also select manage extensions. Here you can able to see all extension you added. You just need to select the remove option to remove a specific extension. Click on it, remove, and extension removed. After getting removed, you just need to close it off here and relaunch the edge. And that's how you remove web extensions in Microsoft Edge. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.